Hi guys, welcome to the video. So please remember that once you finish watching this video, if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and then hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because you get a lot more future content on coins. So today I'm quite excited to be showing off the first of the 2018 commemorative coins that has been released for sale. They're not yet in general circulation, but today we're going to be looking at this one, which is the 1918 representation of the People Act 2018 coin. This is a 50 pence, brilliant uncirculated coin. Available right now from the Royal Mint. This will cost you £10. And if you do purchase it, this is exactly how it will arrive, in a nice Royal Mint handbag. So that's the front, and then that's the reverse. So I'm going to open this so I can show you everything that you would get inside with this version. And then you can see it for yourself if you have bought this without having to ever open it. So with the packaging off, that's what the front looks like. And the reverse, we'll get into all that in a second. So as usual, what I'm going to do here is just keep every page on the screen long enough so that you can pause it and read it at your own leisure. So like I said, this is the first of the commemorative coins that is being released this year, and it does have a few different variants available. I'll be making a video next week to show off the other ones. This is the Bunk, the Brilliant Uncirculated. And there will also be a silver proof. But like I said, I'll get into that in the video next week. So there we go. Let's have a look at the coin specifications first of all. And then we'll have a look at the coin itself. Just show you that little part as well. Okay, so the denomination is 50 pence. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 8 grams. Diameter is 27.30 millimeter. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. Obverse designer is Jody Clark. And then the reverse designer is Stephen Taylor. So if we actually have a look here at the reverse of the coin first, you can see the coin there. It's quite a nice design. You've got the initials just below by there, ST, that's Stephen Taylor. And if we then have a look at the obverse of the coin, we'll see there's the 2018 with the JC below for Jody Clark. And like I said, this will cost you £10 at the moment at the Royal Mint. I'm not sure exactly when these will actually end up showing up in circulation, but I can't wait to do so I can throw one into my date run. But let me know if you're going to get this or if you're going to get any of the other variants. Like I said, check out my video next week and you'll see the other variants that are available. Please leave that comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already and like this video. Thanks for watching.